Hi, in this video I want to talk really quickly about a text area element. This is an element, it's an opening and closing element or tag. It's not like input in that it's self-closing, but it's like input in that you can type and add information to it. And it's by default resizable, so that's a handy feature. You can do new lines in it, which is different from input. Another interesting thing about it is the default text, because it has an opening and closing tag, it will go between them, so it will go in the inner text or inner HTML. That's where the default text will go. And so if you wanted to access that, for example, to access the text in an input, we would use the value property of the input. With the text area, we'll actually use the inner HTML or inner text. So if you're going at it from JavaScript, there's actually a property called inner HTML or inner text that you can use. Yeah, and so these are very useful for forms when you have slightly more complex data that might require, for example, new lines that you need added into the form.